Today I'm going to show you how much money I made reselling used video games that I had around my house on Amazon. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned, today's video is all about reselling used video games that I had here in my house. These aren't actually games that I went out and bought at a thrift store, at a garage sale. These are all games that I bought years ago while I was in college. I played these games. These are all Xbox 360 games. They're not even the newest model. I believe the newest Xbox is the Xbox One. These are Xbox 360 games, so they're all very old games. I've had them in my house for a while. I thought maybe I'd play them again at some point, but just starting Amazon FBA and my business, I just don't have the time to play video games anymore. So I thought this would be a unique video to show you how much I can actually make just reselling used video games that I had here in my home. Now, the easiest way to find out how much a video game is selling or any item is selling for on Amazon is all you need to do is get out your Amazon seller app. So I'll actually go ahead and get that out and I'll show you right here. Here's the game, here's the app. Okay, so what you do is you just push the scan button and you can scan the barcode, or sometimes you can scan the front of the product as well. And you can see that it's going for, it has a very quick sales rank of $2,949, so it'll go quickly. The buy box price, that's for new, $20.49. Used, you can see it's going for $6.27 minus fee, so I'll get $3.53 for this product. Now, that's not a lot of money, but keep in mind, it's completely free. Well, kind of free. I paid for this years and years ago, so we're not really putting in the cost of this, what this is. I'm just mailing this in with a bunch of other items. I'm going to bulk ship this in a giant box with all of these, so the shipping cost will be just a few cents total for everything that I'm sending in. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you one by one what each one of these video games are selling for on Amazon. Okay, so here we go. Here are the games. First up, we have Batman Arkham Asylum going for $2.72 used. And then next up, we have Mass Effect 2, one of my favorite games. I just had to point that out. Also going for $3.62. And then next up, we have Rock Band going for $3.28. The next game we have up is Guitar Hero Smash Hits, and this one was going for an astounding $16.31. Some of these more rare games are going for more. This one, Guitar Hero World Tour, was going for $31.30. Those were the two biggest sellers of all the games right there. And then next up we have Rock Band 2 going for $2.81. After that, we had Call of Duty Ghost. A lot of these Call of Duty games, there were just so many of them produced that they're not worth a lot now. So this one was $3.55. And then next up, we have Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. This one was a well-received game, so this one was $8.14. And then following that, we had Left 4 Dead 2. Very underrated game, in my opinion, but that's going for $10.74. After that, we had Dante's Inferno. That was going for $6.04. And then following that, we had Saints Row 2 going for $6.80. After that, we had a game called Brutal Legend. That was going for $2.81. Keep in mind, this is what I'm going to receive after fees, after shipping. This is what I'll get in my pocket. And then finally, Injustice Game of the Year, Ultimate Edition, that was going for $12.59. And then Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 was going for $3.02. Again, this is what I receive profit. And then the Batman Arkham City Game of the Year Edition, $4.29. Mass Effect 3, another great game, it's $3.10. And then Star Wars The Force Unleashed was going for what I'll get back, $4.12 in profit. And Call of Duty Black Ops, what I will get back in profit is $3.53. So there you go. Those are the games. So there you go. That was all the video game prices individually. There was a total of 18 of them, and total price sell-wise is $128.77. That's not bad for a bunch of old video games I had lying around the house. Now, I did mention at the beginning I was going to mail all these into Amazon. I ended up mailing about half of them into Amazon, and half of them I'm going to fulfill myself because the profit is higher if I fulfill them myself. Now, there is a fee that Amazon charges the customer on top of the sale price, so that sale price you actually saw is how much I'm going to be paid because I am going to make the fee the fee is going to cover the cost of shipping. So that is how much I will be paid for each one of those video games. I know a lot of people say, hey, you don't put the cost of shipping in your videos. But in this case, the fees being charged by Amazon will cover my cost. You can mail these for very cheap if you charge by the ounce, because they are, you know, very lightweight. So these items can ship for very low amounts of money, and the fee that Amazon charges will cover that. Now, like I mentioned, these were all video games that I had here at my home that I was selling, but you can also find video games like this, you know, at thrift shops, at garage sales. And if you can get the video games for generally like 50 cents, a buck, sometimes they'll let you buy, you know, 4 or 5 of them for like $2. If you can get them for really cheap, not all of them, but a lot of them you can actually make money on. So it is, I generally look at video games. What I usually do is I'll buy several video games over the course of a couple weeks, and then I'll mail them in a box with a large amount of other items. So the fees on shipping will be, you know, fractions of a penny that I will send into Amazon, and then they will FBA them. That's usually what I do for the majority of video games that I buy at, say, Goodwill or at a garage sale. But video games are something that you can easily make money on. As I just showed you, I just made $128 selling all my old video games. So I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Have you sold video games as well? Is this something you potentially want to do? Go ahead and leave a comment below, and be sure and tune in for the next video as well.